So, sa malaking help to sa akin ang program or yung training na to about mental and emotional strength. I was able to reflect upon myself saan naging strength and weaknesses ko, and given na 8 hours lang ito, but still na-reflect ko sa sarili ko kung ano yung naging strength and weaknesses ko throughout the entire training, and as well na hindi lang siya ma-apply dun sa general life ko but to this company as well. And thinking about the speaker, which is si Sir Edwin, na super knowledgeable niya in a sense na hindi siya yung mga typical speaker na may binabasa na copy or notes. Pero nandun yung parang confidence niya when he's speaking about kung ano yung tinuturo. Kumbaga parang napagdaanan, alam mo yung napagdaanan niya yung sinasabi niya. Kaya nandun yung parang maingganyo ka na makinig.